Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ocarina of Time on PC. First, understand that emulators let you enjoy classic console games on your computer. Project 64 is an excellent and widely used Nintendo 64 emulator, perfect for this adventure. Before starting, always check that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for smooth performance. You can easily download the emulator directly from its official website to begin your journey. Next, you will need the game file itself, known as a ROM. This is essentially a digital copy of the original game cartridge. While many sources exist online, it is generally understood that you should own the physical game to legally possess its ROM. Search for Ocarina of Time ROM to find various options. The file will usually be in A, Z64, or N64 format, ready for your emulator. Now, it is time to set up your emulator. Open Project 64 and navigate to load your downloaded Ocarina of Time ROM file. Spend some time configuring the video settings to achieve your preferred graphics and resolution, perhaps even upscaling to a higher definition. Crucially, map your keyboard or a connected game controller for intuitive and comfortable gameplay. Finally, adjust the audio settings to ensure clear sound without any noticeable lag or distortion. To truly enhance your experience, explore optional improvements. Many fans create high-resolution texture packs that dramatically improve the game's visuals, offering a fresh look. You can also apply widescreen patches to enjoy the game on modern displays without black bars. Remember to save your game progress frequently using the emulator's convenient save states. If you encounter any issues, online forums are a fantastic resource for troubleshooting and finding community-driven solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.